What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. You guys, I'm here in Five Below, like I am most weeks. And right here by the front of the store, they have a really cute Peeps and EOS display. I love the little chickies. They're so cute. Those are $2. And then they have a 7-pack of lip balms for $5. I think I shared these with you guys last week. The 24 press-on nails for $4. This is an EOS Tropical Escape 2-pack. That's $4.99. Those are brand new this week. I think we have some new little... Whoa, you guys, did you hear that? The heat just turned off and it just got so quiet in here. I think over here we have some additional grow kits. This is a little do-it-yourself grow kit. Make your own macrame grow kit. This is just for making macrame, like a little holder. And then we have another one here. I don't know if it's like a macrame and grow kit. I'm a little bit confused on that. Okay, so it includes, oh it does, it includes a seed packet, a terracotta pot, beads, a metal ring, and some cotton cord. So not only can you grow the plant, but you can make the little holder. This one is brand new this week. This is the mini rose grow kit. And then I showed you guys the unicorns before. And the cactus. They've added a lot. These are just $1. The little $1 mini roses, the $1 daisies, another cactus one here for $1. It looks so cute. If you guys are really loving the whole grow kit thing, they have these huge ones here where you can grow cucumber and mint. Those are $5. And then they also have the lavender and chamomile grow kits. They have added so many new grow kits for spring, the tomato grow kits, the basil, the strawberry. This would be such a cute little gift to put together for someone. Or if you just love to grow things, just come on in here, you guys, and grab some of these cute little grow kits. If you guys want to test out your green thumb and grab some of those grow kits, it's a really, really good price. I really love how many cactus grow kits they have. And speaking of cactus, look you guys, they have these pretty cushions. These are outdoor cushions for $5 each, and they feel like really silky and wipe clean. There's stripes on one side and cactus on the other. I really, really love the cactus. Let's see what's new down this aisle. The squeezekins, those are so cute. Oh, this is new. For $5, a brand new journal and pen set. And then I showed this one last week. I think it's really cute. It's a Sprinkles sketch pad. You get 45 pages and 4 sticker sheets. And it's a little shaker. Has a little shaker cover. Do you guys remember the brand Limited 2? That used to be a store that was in the mall. It was kind of like Justice. Maybe you still have one of those in your town. These are $4. They have a little attachable fingernail file. It says no harsh chemicals. It's a water-based nail polish, and it's kid-friendly. Ryan's World has lip balms now. How many do we get? We get 8 different flavors. These JoJo ones have been here. Banana cream. This might be a new duo by Simple Pleasures. You guys, we can find Simple Pleasures in places like Walgreens and Michael's. I just showed some of those the other day, last time I went live in Walgreens. Let's see what's new in room. You guys, I got my pink Himalayan lamp, but I haven't tried it out yet. I think that's such a nice deal for $5. And I want to let you guys know that I really like my essential oil I got from here. It was a $3 essential oil. I got it in lavender, and we're using it with a LED diffuser at home, and it smells really nice. It's very subtle. It's not overpowering. They have some bins, some laundry baskets. Those are $5. This is new. This is a little wood shelf. That is really cute. So it's basically just a board, and it has 2 strings and a little loop, and you can hang some lightweight items on this. It's almost like a little swing. This is $5. A lot of these have been here. They're really nice though. The Succulent Zen Garden and the Mini Zen Garden. You guys know I love this one because I love succulents. All their stuffed animals and plushies are $5. I'm seeing maybe a couple new ones. Maybe Unipuppy, Unipanda. I love this one. It's so pretty. The llama. This is a 2-tier fabric storage shelf for your shoes or your clothing items, maybe some towels. And I think some of these might be new also. These are the pop open spiral hampers. It's so quiet in here tonight, you guys. It's just so quiet. These are some food storage bins, and including the lids, you get 42 pieces. These are just $5. Great for college students. They also have a lot of collapsible cubes over here, storage bins. This is sort of a, I was going to say it's sort of a denim, but up close it doesn't really look that much like a denim, but they are nice. I like the loop it has here. These are really nice. If you have a kitty, they have some really cute kitty houses here. They look like little kitty tents. And some new light up frisbees for dogs. Oh, this is strawberry scented. Wow, retractable leashes for $5. That's such a nice deal. Throw and play. These are super sturdy and nice. It's a 3-pack. They're all vanilla scented. It kind of has a light vanilla scent to it. And don't forget about the pet beds over here, you guys. They are super luxurious and soft, but lightweight enough to where if your pet gets it dirty, you can wash it and dry it really easily. Trust me, you guys, I know. Ooh, look at all the makeup. It looks pretty well stocked over here, you guys. Lots and lots of polishes. You guys know I'm always on the hunt for new things. These are all lip glosses. That's Gator running around in the background. I think he's bouncing a ball. Glamorous Beauty. I feel like I looked at this one last week, but I don't know what it's a dupe for. Hey, Gator. Hey. Gator is bouncing the, let me see what that is, honey. The super high bounce ball. Don't make it go too high.
Yeah.
He said, yeah, I think maybe you tried already. Did you try to make it go really high?
It went so high. Mom, guess what, Mama?
What?
It went up. I was about to hit the light.
Oh, no.
See that? I was about to hit the light, but just in time, it turned enough to get over it.
Good.
It walked over.
Well, don't test it fully because we don't want to break any lights. We don't want to break any of these lights up here. The ceilings are very high in here. Okay, you guys, let's see if we can find something new to smell for the week. I'm really curious about this Glamorous Beauty, but I don't think they have a tester open. Let's see. This is Sparkle. I really like their fragrances in here. Oh, this is supposed to be a dupe for Ralph Lauren's Romance. Can we find a tester bottle? I don't think I've seen that before. Let's see. That's Subtle Whisper. Subtle Whisper. So that's the one for this. Let's try Subtle Whisper. This kind of reminds me of this perfume I have at home that I actually used to wear in high school, and it was called Lulu. That smells really nice. Okay. It's so nice and quiet in here. I love it. These are so cute. These are really heavy and glass. Contour and Confidence. These are $5 brush holders. You're like really pretty. Flawless. I'm really glad I tested this, you guys. I had to come all the way back because I love how this smells. I think I need to spray it again. I might have to get this today. One more sniff. Yeah, I like that. That's the Subtle Whisper. Again, what is it a dupe for? It's a dupe for Ralph Lauren's Tender Romance. Now I'm wondering if this, look you guys, so very romantic, Ralph Lauren Romance and Tender Romance. I'm going to have to Google and see if Romance and Tender Romance are considered to be the same scent, because maybe they're just naming it a little something different. I love that though. That's really nice. So what did you guys think about the bags I showed last week? I'm super impressed with these bags. These were my favorite sandals for $5. And I also really liked these over here. I can't wait until it starts warming up, you guys. It's just been so cold for so long. This is all the clearance section back here. And it is just growing. They really put a lot of clearance items back here on a regular basis. Let's see if we have any new teas, and then I think we'll stop here and I'll look around and see if there's any other items worth sharing for the week, and if there is, I'll film another video for you guys. I think this is new. Is this one new? Ohana, that one might be new. Be Inspired is new. What else? Whoa, here comes Gator. This little alien, I don't know if that's new or not. Hey, Gator. Okay, let's see what else. I know, I'm awesome. Let's not make a big deal out of it. Let's look over here. I think they're going to probably be bringing in some new teas back here. Most of these are the same. They're mostly Jurassic Park, Jurassic World, Super Mario, Ren and Stimpy, and a whole lot of throwback style Star Wars teas like this one. I think the colors are just so pretty on this. This area back here is always so fun to look at because they have things like keychains, a whole lot of keychains. They have, I mean, tons and tons of keychains, you guys. They have keychains, and they have the long lanyards. Look at that kitty one. Look at these, you guys. These brand new stainless steel water bottles. Those are so cute. Here are some of the short lanyards. And look, you guys, even more keychains back here. Now you have to look at the dot on each individual keychain. Oh, this one is so cute. So find the color, like for example, this one's red, so this one would be $3. But some of them are marked blue, and some of them have been marked down, so they're even cheaper. They have the cute little like wallets, the coin purses on the keychain. They have some more of these cute and squishy little keychains.
What are these?
Gator wants to know what this is. You guys let me know down in the comments if you know what this is. This is this is an incense holder. So you know those sticks that people light and they smell and they kind of let off a smoke? This is a unicorn incense holder. Yeah. They've recently added some new ones like the corgi, they've added the pug, the pig. I think all of those ones are new. But yeah, you guys, that's it for me in Five Below. I'll probably be putting up yet another Five Below video tomorrow. So come on back, hit that notification bell, and get notified of all my videos because I do post daily. So yeah, you guys, again, if you like this video today, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Share with me down below in the comments. And if you haven't yet, hit that little button subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.